After winning 1-0 against Zesco United on Sunday, Kaizer Chiefs are still in third place in their group. 4 points. Zamalek has 5. Al Masry has 7. That's the best team in the group. Kaizer Chiefs, this is a problem. Okay, I should say a challenge. We have to win at least 2 games in order to make it to the next round. Because this Zamalek already ipam. So if we play a draw with them and play another draw maybe with another team, we are out. So it's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy for us to make it to the next round. Okay, Zesco United sidlalile nayo on Sunday away, iyashayeka sishaye away. So masisidlala at home, maybe game izoba easy kakhulu for us. Maybe singabashaya ngo 2-3-0 even, kodwa still singabathathe kancane just because we are gonna be playing at home. In fact, this is the game ekumele sizimisele kuyo kakhulu because these are the guys that we are, I would say, 90% guaranteed that we can get 3 points kubo. So we have to make sure that siyabashaya asibhayizi, and then we will have these two ezinzima, Al Masry and Zamalek. Zamalek sasidlala nayo here eMzansi 29 November 2025. We played the 1-1 draw. We failed to beat them at home. Now we have to play them away in their city, in their home ground, where all their fans will be there. Those bullies, North Africans, you guys know them. They are bullies. So it's not going to be an easy game. And Al Masry yona yasishaya away. Now we're going to play them at home. So playing them at home, bashango 2-1. Can we return the favor? It's possible. Go to again. Al Masry has been the best team in this group, so I don't think it's gonna be easy for us to beat them. But I believe in my team. Anything is possible. Kaizer Chiefs can do it. We are the best team in Africa. Okay, bafethu. Kumele shaye Zamalek bafethu. Kumele shaye Zamalek. Okay, one of these two. We have to do it. We just have to do it. I don't know how this is njani, but we have to do it. And I believe in these boys. They've been working very hard, and at the back, those are the positions I'm very happy with. At the back, we have been solid lately. Peterson is not conceding. The back line is very disciplined, still solid. Ozita, my best defender this season. They are very impressive, working very hard. I'm hoping Aizubako into sabotage at the back. No injuries, nothing, no one go out of form. I'm hoping even though Miguel with the tackles abamane bezenza, I'm hoping with these North Africans bazoba very disciplined and abazo drop a form. Hopefully these guys bazosithola ready for them. So bafowethu, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'm actually here to ask you, since I've been hearing a lot of noise from Sundowns fans, Orlando Pirates fans saying that Kaizer Chiefs are already out. They are saying siphumile, ngeke sidle Zamalek, ngeke sidle Al Masry. I want to know what you guys think. Are you guys confident enough? Are you guys still supporting the club? Do you still believe that Kaizer Chiefs has a chance to make it to the next round of ICAF Confederation? I do believe my team. I believe my team will go to the next round, and I'm supporting them. I'm 100% behind them. And I believe that this season we're gonna win at least 2 trophies. And we're playing 3. There are only 3 trophies as Sozlala, as Sekona. League, Nedbank, Nale Confederation. We have to win at least 2. At least 2, bro. Khalil and also Kaze, they have a point to prove. Those guys have never been managers, head coaches for any big team in their careers. So them winning something this season with the Kaizer Chiefs that has been struggling for years, I'm telling you, bro, it's going to add something with CV yabo. Izoyenza CV yabo ibe nhle kakhulu. They know that, so they are working very hard for sure, and I believe in them that they're gonna do it. They're gonna do it. So if you had any doubts in the co-coaches, ziyeke i-doubts, siphuma kuzo mfethu. Abantu are working very hard, so it's up to the players now to perform. Go out there and perform, do the best. And what I like more is that even though sometimes I don't like it, the coaches, they try to give everyone a chance, even though singakababoni or Chislet, singakaboni or these guys Kanyiso Chinga, we don't know what's going on with them. But still, abanye abadlali, look, Batman are getting chances. This boy Maba, so they are getting chances. There are so many players who are getting chances, and I'm happy to see that everyone is getting a chance to play. And I'm hoping in big games, hard games, they're gonna know what is a squad that we have to play before we can even give these youngsters a chance, because it's very important to have a winning team as well as a coach. You can't just always have changes. But again, Bafetu, I'm asking the question, your good team. Do you guys believe that Kaizer Chiefs are gonna make it to the next round of the CAF Confederation? I believe so. Like the video, leave a comment. I will see you on the next one.